Today we are going to create an alarm clock with Python language in just 20 lines of code. Yeah, in just 20 lines of code. So let's start. Jupyter notebook. Okay. It is going to be very simple. Very simple. So start with a blank file. Okay. From date time import datetime. Okay, here datetime is a module and this datetime is an object. One module has many objects, so this module has objects like date, time, time delta. So we are extracting only this object and not going to use all the modules. So just import datetime from this datetime and import play sound from play sound because we want to play a sound. Now we are going to initialize alarm time is equals to taken input from the user displaying a message. Enter the time you want to set an alarm. Take it in format HH, SS and this PP for period. Take it as small p. You can use any small or capital. It will not because it is just a message. Okay, now alarm R is equal to alarm time indexes 0 to 2. So if you set an alarm for the time, say 4:52, the hour 4 and 52 minutes. So first index would be 0, 4, then semicolon, then 5, 2. So if we want to extract the alarm R, so we want these two values. And what are these indexes? 0th and first index. So from 0 to 2, it will stop before 2. So we will get only 0 and first index. For alarm minute, tell me guys what index we should use for alarm minute. Alarm minute is equals to alarm time. We are going to extract this from alarm time indexes. Alarm time from 0, 1, 2, we want 3 and 4, third and fourth index. So 3, 2 and stop before 5. So we want only 3 and 4th. Okay. Alarm second is equal to alarm time we want seconds. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 6 and stop before 8. Alarm period is equals to alarm time and okay, these is 7th, this 8th, 9th and 10th. So 9th and stop before 11. Okay. Upper, and it will convert automatically it into uppercase letters. whether you give it small pm in lowercase or uppercase, it will convert automatically into uppercase. Now print the message. After we have extracted the alarm, hour, minute, seconds and period information, we are going to print a statement, or you can call it a message, that alarm is set. Alarm is set while true. So run a while statement. Now is equals to date time dot now. So this date time is this object, not module. We are using this object. Now is equals to date time dot now. Now is a function and this is a variable. This now is a variable. So date time dot now will return the exact time at this particular moment in this variable. So if we want to take the current hour, we want to extract the current hour from this now, what we will do? Suppose it is time 4:56 and this is stored in this now, and if we want to extract this hour, why we are extracting these hour is equals to now dot strf time percentage I. Why we are extracting these current hour? Just wait, I will tell you. So current minute is equals to now dot strf time and percentage capital M. So strf time is a function which returns the string representation of the time. So if this is a time, it will return as a string representation of time, and we are using I. I basically returns the hour. The hour in 12-hour clock as a 0 added decimal. So if it is 4 o'clock, it will add 0 before it and return us in, because we are using it into 2 digits. So we will retrieve it in 2 digits. So now dot strf time will return us the hour, which is 04, and now dot strf time, from this now we will use strf time function to return the minutes, which are 58, and current second is equals to now dot strf time. For seconds we will use ampersand s, and if capital S. If you want to use a 24-hour clock, simply change this I to minus I. You can play with the code. Okay, and current, what is the current period? Is it AM or PM? We are going to extract it. Now dot strf time, which will return in string format, and we are using the small p, it will return the period. Okay, we have returned the current hours. That is, what is the current time, what is the current hour, what is the current minute, what is the current second at this particular moment when we have initialized this now, and the alarm, hour, minute and seconds and periods. Now we are going to match if these both are equal at a particular moment. If the current hour is equals to the current minute, if the current hour is equals to the alarm hour, if these both times are equal, then we will display a message or play that sound. This is the logic behind the alarm. If these both times are equal, current time and the alarm time, then we will ring the alarm. So check the conditions. If alarm period equals to current period equals to current period. If this is true, if this statement is true, then go to here. If alarm R is equals to current R, if this is true, then go to this. If alarm minute equals to current minute. Okay, if these all are same, and if alarm second is equals to, sorry, alarm setting is equals to current second equals to current second, then print the statement wake up. Just put it some fancy special character. Wake up, it's time to code. Okay, so display this message and play this sound. Play sound. Okay, I have a sound in here. So this is okay. I have a sound downloaded. You can download a sound from anywhere from your browser. Any alarm sound you can use. Alarm sound should be in the same directory in which you are using this untitled, in which you are coding. So it will extract it easily. Okay. So alarm 123. I'm going to give the name. Now this is alarm 123 dot WAV. Okay, just give the extensions WAV or MP3 only. WAV, and break the statement. After playing the audio, just break it. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it has an error from input sound, play sound. Okay, I have give it opposite. From play sound. I'm not going to edit this error part. We should learn to. Now just run this code. Okay. There's some problem in the kernel. Restart kernel, connected, and kernel ready. Okay. Just do this. Okay. Set an alarm for 5:14:20 seconds for PM. Set an alarm for this time. Okay, now just wait for the alarm. Hope it will ring correctly if the code is correct. If you guys have any problem, you can comment it in the comment section. I'll reply every comment. 20 seconds. And the current seconds will equal to the alarm seconds. There will be a sound. This. Oh, this is the sound. You hear, guys? And this is the code. Wake up, it's time to code. So this was an easy program, easy Python project. If you are a beginner and you want to create a project, this is for you guys. Like this video if you learn something new from it, and subscribe this channel for such amazing and easy to learn Python programs, Python projects. So we have created this beautiful program. If you have any problem regarding this, and if you want some explanation regarding any line of code, just comment me in the comment section.